Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to another episode of One Man in His Boat. I am your host Barry, this is the Lynsey B, and this is the steering console we're still trying to build. Up. Right. Right, boys and girls, as you can see, we're making progress with the steering console. It's looking not too bad. I kind of thought it would look like this. It does look big on the boat, but when you stand outside the boat, it doesn't look as bad. Plus, I really do need a place to put all my gadgets and gizmos. As you can see, we've got a lot of rounding off the corners to do that, so I'm going to hash on with that. Check back with me next week just to see how far I've got on. It's what day is it today? It is Sunday the 20th of December, nearly the shortest day, thank God. And I'm going to hash on making another vlog after this one, because we're talking about throttle control, because the throttle is going to go in this little space here. So yeah, lots to squeeze in a little space. Yes, I know everybody's shouting at the television screen, you should have put a wheelhouse on her. But seriously guys, I've measured up the smallest wheelhouse you can get, and it comes to back where I'm standing. Look at the space I've got extra. Look at all that. And with a wheelhouse, you'll actually be pulling the boat broadside on when you're actually cruising, and that's not what I want. I've spent all my years with the rock copper doing that, and I'm not doing that with this one. It all gets pulled through the front of the boat, and she should slipstream through the tide and whatever else we're going to be up against. So guys, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, write a comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe to the channel, that's the one that helps the channel move forward, so do your bit. And tick the notification bell, and YouTube will make you feel very special indeed, my friends. Right, until next week's episode, all the very best, my friends.